Hi friends, today I'm going to demonstrate about the forward engineering. Forward engineering is used to transforming a model into the code through a mapping. So, if you have a class diagram, you can generate the code using the forward engineering. So, suppose this is your class diagram and you want to convert it. So, in the StyleML software, go to Model, select Profiles, then include the profile. Suppose you want to generate the code in C++ or Java, then include that profile and click on close. Then create the folder, create an empty folder to generate your code, to save the code. So after that, go to any class diagram and right click on it, and you will find the options. So whatever profile you have included, select that and click on generate code. So it will ask about the package location. So click on design model in case of class diagram, or whatever model in which you have done your diagram, and click on next. And then it will show the classes and the class names. So after selecting that, click on next. Then once you click on next, it will ask you to specify the location of the generated code. Then click on next and the code will be generated successfully. Now I have done the forward engineering for the payroll system application. So here's the code. Suppose I have the five classes: employee, manager, temp employee, permanent employee, and payment. So this two inherits employee and this one inherits the manager. So here's the code. For employee I have all the attributes and the related functions. Then I have the class manager with all these attributes and function. Then payment class extends manager. Then class permanent employee extends the employee, so it has all its attributes. And temporary employee class extends the employee, so I have all the attributes required. So in I have the second one as a library system class diagram. So it's a little bit complicated diagram with all its functions and attributes and a lot of classes. So it has these different classes, and for which I have different attributes such as user details, id, name, etc. So for example, account class, I have account type, id, login, logout functions. So it has account type, account id, login and logout functions. So similarly, the code for all the classes has been generated. And the third one is the car rental system, for which I have these classes: user, customer, admin, inquiry, feedback, payment, car, etc. So for that also, in the same way I have generated the code. So once I generate the code, I'll get all the attribute and functionalities that I have described in my class diagram as my code. So this is an example of how you can convert your class diagram into a code. Thanks for watching.